video, and today we in a new location. We out of Virginia. We in Pennsylvania. We at Fusion Gym. Just opened about 3 weeks ago, and I'm trying to tell you, this gym is crazy. It was for calisthenics, gymnastics, UFC, boxing, weightlifters, and it's for everybody. And I don't even forget those power lifters. Y'all strong, mother. Oh, y'all strong. This place is crazy. Started off, and you see right behind me, this is 100 yards of turf. Never seen an inside gym like this with 100 yards of turf for the public. Civilians like us, it was crazy. Started off with some Navy SEAL burpees, keeping that core tight, keeping them shoulders, getting that chest all plump and ready for the summer. Y'all know we can get down on here. Then we had moved on to one of my favorites. Well, it's my new favorite. I love lower lats. I love lower lat machines. It was a machine jump. You pull in here, the chest is so you can be comfort and pull in with unilateral right there. Man, that machine was crazy. That was the only really machine that I really worked out on. Felt like a lot of calisthenics today. We did some pull-ups, which was good, throwing some abs. But not just even talk about calisthenics. I want y'all to see this gym. Man, plenty of Stairmasters. I love that. They got a boxing ring. They got a barber shop. They got a UFC ring. And it was opened up. I didn't see it over there yet. They have a cafeteria in this joint. Lambo sitting up front. People that want to dream, want to look good, ain't grab Lambo. They see me sitting up front. It's crazy gym. I just came into town just to hang out with my brother up north, and we had a good time. So I had to stop by. He looked it up. I was like, yo, it's a new gym. I gotta come see it. Everybody talking about it on Instagram. I think I saw it a few times, but this gym is crazy. Go ahead and check it out. They got plenty of weights, dumbbells all the way up to 170. And it's the first gym I've seen that has squat racks, like along the whole 100 yards. Man, it is crazy. A few Navy SEAL burpees, got some pull-ups in, easy workout. Just want to show y'all that I move around sometimes. I'll see y'all on the next one.